It's day 4 of Vlogmas. We started the day with a dog walk to Duthie Park in Aberdeen. Brochan absolutely loves it here because there are so many dogs to admire from afar, and it's the perfect spot for him to run around and blow off some steam. I love watching him have fun, but my Raynaud does not love the colds. By the end, it's just through gritted teeth. I'm having a bit of a slow morning this morning. We've been for a walk, me and Brochan, that is, we've been for a walk. I have had a shower, so I'm just waiting for my hair to dry now. I have the orthodontist just to make sure that my teeth are still where they should be and that I'm wearing my retainer. And then I'm going out for a meal later, so that's exciting. I'll take you to that. And oh yeah, I'm going to go into town because I have not finished Christmas decorating and I'm leaving it so late. So I need to get a grip on that, buy some batteries for some lights to put in the windows and stuff. I'm really excited, but I've been putting it off and do not let me put it off anymore. Lunch was a quick bagel, Nutella and banana for me today. Maybe not the best choice before the orthodontist, but it's been such a busy work day. I've also been squeezing in episodes of Buffy the Vampire Slayer when I can. It's not as often as I'd like, but I'm absolutely loving it. It's Buffy forever. Brochan knows when I'm getting ready to go out, and that's why he's having a nap on top of me. It's so lovely, but it's very inconvenient. Off to the orthodontist, and as expected, everything's grand. I've been so happy with my treatment here, so if you're thinking of getting braces, I would definitely recommend it. Quick interlude for shopping. Do we like this top? I think I do, but do I need it in this size, or am I just cold and craving another jumper? It's off to Malmaison for the first time in ages, and of course, it's miserable night. There's wind and rain coming from every angle. Whose idea was this? My scarf has to double as a hood, which completely ruined my hair. But that's Scotland for you. Still, it's winter, the festive vibes are amazing, and I'm feeling so Christmassy right now.